L'Oreal just poured money into ToSummer, 关下, not for their formula or customer base, but for their moat, using Eastern aesthetic to win over Chinese consumers. ToSummer built something other fragrance brand cannot copy. And they did it using the 4 acts framework I introduced in my last video. Here's what most people miss. These 4 acts aren't some mystical Eastern philosophy. They're just business fundamentals. Narrative is branding, craft is product, space is retail, and place is supply chain. Western brands know all 4, but ToSummer stacked them into a single reinforcing system. I call this the moat stack, which honestly deserves its own breakdown, so be sure to like and follow if you want that. But first, here's how ToSummer does it. Start with the narrative. ToSummer's story isn't we make great perfume. It's how life in China smell like. Take Yihe Jingui for example. Summer Palace Osmanthus. The smell of early autumn in Beijing. It reminds you of your childhood. It's a shared memory. And when that memory is revived, it builds trust instead of feeling like marketing. But narrative without proof is just storytelling. So ToSummer proves it in the products. And they have triple tea, which is more than a tea fragrance. They source pu'er from Jingmai Mountain, work with local tea makers, and develop tea-based aromatic material that actually work in perfume. That's not marketing, it's cultural storytelling through product crafting. You're not paying for a smell, you're paying for provenance. Then they bring it into the stores. ToSummer runs one core brand experience plus local culture layer per city. Beijing feels courtyard quiet, historic. Shanghai is modern classic, and Chengdu integrates tea life rhythm. The store feels native, not installed, which drives organic traffic, because people share the city vibe, not just the products. This is the moat stack. Narrative creates trust, craft creates proof, space drives conversion, and place creates legitimacy. 4 layers reinforcing each other. Now, here's the kicker. None of this is new. It's branding, product, retail, and sourcing, MBA 101. But the stack only works when all 4 points at a cultural truth the Chinese consumers already carry. Western brands are limited in this regard, but they can borrow what already exists in their consumers and build from there. Aesop did it. They didn't try to be Chinese. They found what their consumer already valued and gave it a home in Beijing courtyard. And if you want a complete playbook on Eastern aesthetics to better understand Chinese business and operation like this, comment playbook, and I will send it right over to you.